Welcome to my channel. Today I'm diving into an exciting opportunity. I want to talk about how you could potentially earn $500 a day by creating faceless AI animated videos for kids using this great AI tool that's going to do most of the work for you. Okay. So I'm not saying that I'm guaranteeing that you're going to make $500 a day, but once you take a look at some of these kids channels and what they're earning, hopefully this is going to get your creative juices flowing and get you excited about earning money too. So taking a look at some of these channels that are making these animated videos for kids, this one here, you see it has all of these different little animated videos. Let's click on one so we can take a look at it. Skip it. All right, so you see how that looks. This video, the estimated earnings of this video is 101,000 to $1.6 million a month. And the estimated yearly is from 1.2 million to 19.6 million. That's insane. This channel, it's bringing in an estimated monthly earning of 126,000 to $2 million. Estimated yearly 1.5 million to 24.2 million. So as you guys can see, there is money to be made in this niche here. So I know that you're ready to jump right in and get started. You're like, come on, what are we using? We're going to be using NVideo AI. There's a link below this video that you can sign up for free and get started. Now, in order to create the animated videos that we're going to be creating today, you do have to sign up for a paid plan. But again, feel free to get signed up for free. Look around, take a look at this video to see all of the greatness that you are able to create and do. NVideo is a powerful online video creation platform that simplifies the process of making professional quality videos. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates, you can create stunning animations without any prior experience. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to come up with an idea for our kids' video, okay? Now, I'm not talking about starting from scratch and you writing out this whole script of what this video will be about. I'm actually going to use AI to help me write this script so that it's less work. So we're going to head over to ChatGPT and I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to help me to write a script for this video that NVideo AI is going to create for me. Okay, so I am here at ChatGPT and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me unique, friendly, animated story ideas for a YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the prompt that I'm going to give it, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's spitting them out. So you can read through these different ideas that it's giving you, and you can choose the one that you want to go with. Okay, so the one that I'm choosing that I really like is this Chef Pepper and the Snack Squad. So it's about a Chef Pepper. It's a passionate young pepper shaker and her quirky kitchen friends. So I want NVideo AI to create me a video about this Chef Pepper and the Snack Squad. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this video idea right here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it right into NVideo AI so that it will create a video for me. Okay, so we're going to head on over to NVideo AI. Once you get there, you can click on Try NVideo AI and you can sign up for a free account. Now, in order to generate an actual video, you will have to sign up for a plan. I'm already signed up for a plan, so you decide what you want to do. You can just watch and follow along. So once you're all logged in and you're inside, you're going to click on Create AI Video. So over on NVideo, once I click on Create, I'm going to type in create a 3-minute animated video about, and then I'm going to paste what I got over at ChatGPT. So it'll be create a 3-minute animated video about Chef Pepper and the Snack Squad. Premise, Chef Pepper, a passionate, the whole description that we picked up over at ChatGPT. And then at the end, I'm going to be sure to put target ages 4 to 7 years old. Use high-pitched, kid-friendly woman voiceover, okay? So you want to be really specific with AI. So, the more specific you can get, the better, and you can always tweak it. So you're going to click on generate a video, and it's going to start working its magic. So while that's working its magic, I'm just going to go over the plans that are available, or at least I'll show you the plan that I chose. So I'm going to click on this here, and the plan that I went with that's the best for me and my current plans is the generative plan. This will allow me to get up to 15 minutes of generative credits, and a lot more, different perks and things. You can look at those different options and choose the option that works best for you. So when you get to this portion, you're going to choose normal, bright, and then YouTube, and then you'll just click continue so that it'll keep generating your video. So now let's take a look and get ready to see what it came up with. The title page is really cute.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited to introduce you to Chef Pepper and the Snack Squad.
Hello friends, we
How
love to cook and
cute
learn.
are those little
Today we're going on a super special kitchen mission. Are you ready?
Oh boy, where are we going?
Is it somewhere sweet? We're traveling to Japan to learn about a yummy and healthy snack.
Japan, that's so far away. How will we get there?
With a little imagination and some kitchen magic.
I think
ready?
kids would really
Let's count
like
together.
this.
3, 2, 1, Snack Squad.
I mean, look at
away.
that. All this work done.
Whoosh, look at all the beautiful cherry blossoms.
Wow,
Oh my
what's
goodness,
that yummy
how cute
smell?
is that?
It's onigiri, a tasty rice ball wrapped in seaweed. Let's learn how to make it.
But I've never tried seaweed before.
Me neither. Is it really yummy?
Don't worry, it's fun to try new things. Let's give it a go.
Great.
So now that your video is all generated and created, you can actually go in and edit this if you don't like what it came up with. Now, NVideo makes it really easy, and you can just give it a command and you can tell it what you want it edited. So let's say that you wanted this to have a different voice, or look at all of these different options that come up. So let's say you want to change the music to a more upbeat and exciting track. You could do that. You can pretty much tell it whatever you want it to do, hit generate, and it's going to go in and it's going to make that change for you. Let's say that you wanted this to be in Spanish. So let's say you could just put change the language to Spanish, and it's going to change this whole video to Spanish. So let's say you wanted to start a Spanish YouTube channel, then you could. Of course, you would only want to make it all Spanish. You don't want to have multiple different languages on your YouTube channel, but you have that option if you wanted to do that. You can even go in and you can click on edit, and it's going to allow you to go in and you can click on different sections of the video and swap it out. So let's say you don't like this section of the video, you could click on it, and then you could click on generative media, and then it's going to give you a bunch of different options to replace, and you can go in and click replace if you would like, and then of course you would just click proceed. But you can go in and you can edit this to your liking. There are so many different things that you can play around and change with this video, so that is one amazing feature with this tool. So once you're all done, of course, you're just going to click download your video. So you can hop over to your YouTube channel, just start a YouTube channel. That's very easy to do. And you can go ahead and upload your videos so that you can start your animated video channel for kids. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value and check out some of my other videos.